honey, it's way past time.
How explicit do I have to be?
Need I spell it out before you get it, baby?
Show me your soul,
and honey, I'll show you mine. I'll show you mine. Boy, I'm standing right here holding up a sign, shamelessly displaying my state of mind. But you walk right past me, pretending like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Ooh,
show me your soul,
baby, I'll show you mine.
show me your soul.
Can't you see it's way past time?
How explicit do I have to be?
Need I spell it out before you get it, baby?
Show me your soul,
and honey, I'll show you mine. I've been calling my shots down the middle, but I feel I'm scoring too little. So this time I'm gonna try new play. Come at it from a whole nother angle. One that doesn't reverse and hair, so gonna set it all in motion here today.
baby, here I go.
Boy, I'm thinking about taking this banner down. If you don't take notice and come around, if you walk right past me one more time like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Whoa,
Show me your soul,
baby, I'll show you mine.
show me your soul.
It is way, 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 way past time.
How explicit do I have to be?
Need I spell it out before you get it, baby, baby?
Your soul,
And I will show you mine.
show me your soul.
It's way past time, it's way past time.
How explicit do I have to be?
Need I spell it out before you get it, baby?
Show me your soul,
Baby, I'll show you.
show me your soul.
And honey, I'll show you mine.
Throw your things away tonight, we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere.